So, a lot of you have noticed and also pointed out that I have gained a lot of weight back. For context, I used to be 130 kgs. Then I lost a lot of weight. I dropped to 62 kgs. And now I'm around 70 kgs. So I've gained like 8 kgs back. After losing 68 kgs, I have gained 8 kgs back. Now, why did it happen? And what are my thoughts behind it? How I feel about it? Let's talk. So, last October, I had an incident where my back jerked and it was very painful. It was very acute pain, but very painful. I ignored it. And then after like 2 months, it got a little bit okay. But after that, the pain started again. I thought it was just my lifestyle, the fact that I was mostly at home. So I started working out again, which I had paused due to pain. And when I started working out again, the pain skyrocketed. I went to a physiotherapist. I told him that maybe I have sciatica because I had that severe nerve wala pain in one leg, which is my left leg. I said maybe it is sciatica, but obviously I'm not a doctor, so I don't know. He made me do some exercises, some stretches, and he came to a conclusion कि मेरे को sciatica नहीं है. तो फिर क्या है? क्यों? What is it? क्या इतना पेन क्यों? उन्होंने कहा कि it is maybe just your lifestyle. You're not working out. But when I was working out, it got even worse ना. मैंने उनसे पूछा should I get MRI done? He was like no need. You are okay. You don't need MRI. I was like okay. He's the expert. अपन को क्या पता? But after then 1 more month, क्योंकि the pain was not getting better, I went to other physiotherapist and उन्होंने मुझे instantly बोल दिया to get MRI done for my lower back. And मैंने MRI कराया and turns out I have a slipped disc, a disc bulge in L4 and L5. Even the way I'm sitting right now is not correct. I should not be sitting like this. Then I was told to do some exercises, some stretches, very light exercises, mostly stretching. And I was suggested not to run, not to do any workout, not to lift weight. I asked about jogging. She said no, not yet. I was like, okay. I was also prescribed some medication for my pain, and I hate taking medicines. But the pain was so bad that I had to take medicines every other day. Anyway, back to the weight loss point. So, in this whole process where I was not allowed to run, I was not allowed to work out, not lift weight, nothing. And I was eating clean mostly. But it was summers, and I was like, let's have ice cream. Although I am someone who does not even like sugar, I don't like sugar. So, quitting sugar is not a big deal for me. I've done it before, I can do it again anytime. But this summer, because I was already in pain, I was very sad, I was going through a lot. I started eating ice cream 1 cup a day, went to 3 cups a day. It was insane. I had a lot of ice cream. Very unhealthy. Do not recommend it. Don't eat ice creams. So, of course, I gained a lot of weight back. And because I was not allowed to work out, I was not able to lose that weight. Because pehle, if I ate unhealthy, I would used to balance it out with a good workout. But abhi wo nahi ho raha tha. तो आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग वेरी बैड कि यार इतना मेहनत से इतना सारा वेट लूज किया है एंड अब ये वापस गेन हो रहा है. ऐसे बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज वगैरह नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट द फैक्ट कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत से लूज किया है एंड अब ये वापस गेन हो रहा है. तो उस चीज का बहुत ऐसा चुभ रहा था. देन आई थॉट ओके लेट्स डू कैलोरी डेफिशिएट. वो किया, थोड़ा स्टेबल हुआ वेट. बट देन मैंने ब्लड टेस्ट करवाया and I had some deficiencies. I started taking supplements for that. Everyone was like अभी dieting मत कर, अभी health पे ध्यान दे. जब सब सही हो जाएगा उसके बाद you can do this dieting or workout or whatever you're comfortable with. So I ate regular food, घर का food, समटाइम्स आउट का फूड. ओवरऑल डाइटिंग भी नहीं हुई और ना वर्कआउट हो रहा था. तो आई डिसाइडेड टू जॉइन स्विमिंग बिकॉज आई डिस्कस्ड विद माई फिजियो एंड उन्होंने बोला कि आई कैन डू स्विमिंग, स्विमिंग इज अलाउड. तो आई वाज लाइक यस, मुझे वर्कआउट करना है क्योंकि मुझे करना था. बट आई वाज जस्ट नॉट अलाउड टू एंड ऑल्सो वेन एवर आई डिड मेरे को ही भारी पड़ रहा था. तो आई स्टार्टेड स्विमिंग. मैंने अराउंड 1.5 months स्विमिंग किया. आई वॉज एंजॉइंग इट, इट वॉज फन. बट it was not helping me to lose weight, which was the main reason why I joined swimming. It was not helping me to lose weight. And although everyone is like कि swimming बहुत अच्छा workout है, maybe it's true, just not for me. I think I am able to burn more calories when I run. And as a former fat person, I know my body is still the same. It is still very hard for me to lose weight. ऐसा नहीं है कि I lost a lot of weight तो now I'm immune to gaining it back या फिर I have these magical powers कि अब तो ऐसे weight कम हो जाएगा. नहीं, it is still very hard for me. मेरे कपड़े मेरे टाइट होने लग गए वापस से, और मेरे कपड़े भी टाइट होने लग गए फिर. सो इन दिस होल प्रोसेस कि वेट कम कैसे करना है, what I'm allowed to do, what I'm not allowed to do, what I should be eating, what I should be avoiding. In this whole process, I realized something, and that is I can still lose weight. It is not impossible. Like, it is hard. It is always hard. It is always going to be tough. But it is not impossible. I've done it before. I can still do it again. But what I realized is, जो मेरा लोएस्ट वेट था 63 62, आई लुक्ड वेरी हॉट, लाइक ऐसा कन्वेंशनली वेरी हॉट, बट आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग द हेल्दीएस्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि अभी आई एम फुली हेल्दी, बट उस टाइम पे आई वॉज जेन्युइनली फीलिंग वेरी वीक. Like, all the time I was feeling weak. उठते ही light headed. Trying to lift something हो ही नहीं रहा है. I was taking protein. I'm not saying कि मैं बिल्कुल ही बुरी हालत में बेड पे आ गई थी, but there was definitely काफी weakness and I was not feeling the healthiest. I was looking very hot. I was feeling hot. But in terms of health, I was not really there. In fact, when I was 130 kgs, मुझे body issues as such कभी कुछ थे नहीं, honestly. But 130 kgs पे I was very healthy. Like, I was feeling very healthy. Although I understand कि वो मेरा यंग बॉडी था, एंड यंग बॉडी पे ओबेसिटी इतना इफेक्ट नहीं करती. लाइक अगर मेरी एज 30 क्रॉस कर जाती या 40 क्रॉस कर जाती, उसके बाद मेरा उतना ज़्यादा वेट वुड हैव कॉस्टेड मी बहुत ज़्यादा. इट वुड हैव कॉज्ड मी बहुत सारा हेल्थ इश्यूज. बट बैक इन द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज 130 kgs, आई वाज एक्चुअली फीलिंग वेरी हेल्दी. लाइक फुल पावर, मेरे से किसी को भी उठा लो, बट स्टिल आई वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. नो वीकनेस, no deficiencies. मेरा pain tolerance was also high. And when I was 63 62 kgs, even my pain tolerance was gone. थोड़े से कुछ में ही I used to feel a lot of pain. I used to feel so cold. इतना cold जिंदगी में कभी ठंड नहीं लगी. इतना ठंड लगने लग गया when I was at 63 62. And the weight I am अभी 70 kgs. I look hot also. I feel healthy also. I'm strong and I'm okay. Like, the back pain thing is still there. I'm still not able to work out utna sara, but abhi I can walk. Ek point pe I was not even allowed to walk. So now I have started walking. So if I lose weight again abhi because of walking and eating clean, I will be happy if I lose weight. But even if I don't lose weight, I'm very much in a good shape abhi. I'm not obese like I used to be. I don't feel like I look bad. I feel healthy also. So there are two sides of this. One side is I want to lose weight. I want to look skinny and hot. And the second side is I don't really want to look skinny again. I don't want to feel weak. I'm kind of liking the way I look abhi even better. I don't know. Body image issues तो ऐसे पहले भी नहीं थे, अभी भी नहीं है. I'm just thinking out loud. Like, अगर मेरा weight कम भी हो जाता तब भी मैं ठीक हूँ, नहीं भी होता तब भी ठीक हूँ. I just don't want to go back to 130. उतना मैं नहीं होने दूंगी. अभी मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी ये है कि मेरा मेंटल हेल्थ सही रहे. I've been going to psychiatrists last around 8 years से. That's a different story. मैं कभी अच्छे से I will tell about it. Second is this back pain, slip disc. ये जल्दी सही हो जाए. And third is just making more money. I just want to make more money. Not in a greedy way, but in an empowering way. Although my family is not dependent on me, but I still want to do extra. है ना? So these are my 3 top priorities abhi. I have started walking. I'm eating clean. If I lose weight, good. If I don't, okay. मेरा सबसे बड़ा गिल्ट ये था, एक तो वो आइसक्रीम खाना, very bad. दूसरा कि I was not able to work out. Not in weight loss के सेंस में, but like वर्कआउट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, यू नॉट इवन अलाउड. तो अब जैसे जैसे मेरा बैक थोड़ा थोड़ा हील हो रहा है एंड मैंने वॉकिंग स्टार्ट किया है, सो इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस फीलिंग दैट आई एम एबल टू वॉक अगेन like properly. My phone battery died mid recording. Anyway, this was my little bit insight about my weight gain, and I'm thinking of making more talking videos, maybe posting 1 or 2 long form videos a week, but I don't know if you guys would watch it. So if you think I should make more talking videos, I would feel nice if you dropped a comment about it. Anyway, bye. Subscribe if you want to. Bye.